Alright, I've been at this for days, sorting, cleaning, and dusting the collection here. And it's time to open up some more stuff. Actually, a good amount of things that are ready to get cracked open. Got everything from muscle cars to Datsuns, Porsches, a few Fast and Furious pieces, premiums, other random bits. This thing's pretty cool. This is a recent find. The J10 step-side Jeep Honcho. I'm pairing them up because that's always fun to see. The castings that are 12 or 18 months apart when they recolor stuff. Anyway, so yeah. Here's what's here now. Alright, there's all these. These are scheduled to be opened soon as well. Alright, as far as stuff I was planning on opening, that's the last of it. I've decided I'm going to keep all the M2s packaged for now. The ones that aren't opened yet. There are a few that are already loose. And there's some random ones scattered here and there. Yeah. So this is what it looks like when you open up 171 cars. 171 is the total in this instance. The rows are all crooked. My OCD hates it, but it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, most of them will be going amongst these shelves. I do need to add some shelves in this room eventually. Running out of room. Again, that's what it looks like when you get 171 blisters. And, some stuff I'm not opening today. A few things I'm saving. There's a few that I put up. Decided to save the, keep them on the card. So yeah, I'll be making more videos of sort of everything once it's back together. Once the collection is all cleaned up and sorted, which will be basically never, but once it gets closer to that point. So, yeah. There you go, 171. Go through real quick and just show you some close-ups. Jaguar, Mazda, Porsche, Pininfarina, Ferrari. Got Toyotas, Morgan 3-wheeler, Mercedes, Chevelle, Mitsubishi Starion, Hero Honda Mercury in the recolor, Purple Passion, Lotus Cortina. We got the combination of Bugatti, Peugeot prototype racer along with the 1989 Civic and a Ford Escort rally car. Ridiculous Maserati. A BMW, by the way, this 8 Series BMW. Holy cow, they did a nice job on that thing. It's pretty awesome. We got the Ford Cosworth Sierras, Mustangs, Oldsmobiles, Cadillacs, Corvettes, Ferrari F50. We got Lamborghinis, Mercedes, McLaren, Jaguar, BMW, Porsche, VW, another Lotus, Alfa Romeo, Cadillac, Tesla. Got Formula One. We've got 24 Hours of Sebring, whatever. Yeah, moved everything. There's yet another Maserati. Seen kind of a resurgence in diecast cars for a long time. There just wasn't a lot of Maseratis at all. Yeah, good stuff. It's Hondas, Ford Galaxy, dirt bikes, ridiculous fantasy VW camper hauler things, kit with flames, Mitsubishi Corvette, E30 BMW station wagon fantasy car thing, or it's a two-door wagon. Got Volvo, other fantasy cars, 65, Chevy Impala. Or is that 66? 66. Oh, in fact, it's 65. That's a 66. 65 is the boring one with the rectangular taillights, which I'm sure was cool back in the day, but never been a big fan myself. Yeah, we got square body trucks, Datsuns, Fords, Fiats, Nova wagons, a little bit of everything, including a couple of fire trucks, a grader, a crane, good stuff.